Good morning, class. So we are back again, continuing with the second chapter as you are aware of. So we'll move forward with the continuation of our second chapter, which we started, Sources of Corporate Finance. So again, a quick brush up. We started with the introduction part. After introduction, we moved on to meaning of shares. What are the features of shares? I have given you all the smart code. Then after that, we completed owned capital. In owned capital, we started off with shares. In shares, we finished off with equity shares. What is the meaning of equity shares, the types of equity shares, and the features of equity shares. So today class, we are moving forward with the next concept. Remember the diagram again. The same diagram I had shown you all during equity shares ka logic. So now today our topic will be again long-term sources, own capital, shares. But this time our topic will move around preference shares. So we'll be focusing our topic today on what is the meaning of preference shares and what are the features of preference shares. So here we start the session. Be with me, class. Just give me a second. Okay. So starting on with the topic, meaning of preference shares. Now what do you mean by preference shares? There's some technical issues. Just give me a second. Okay. The shares which has the following preferential rights are called as preference shares. Now there are certain rights. The shares which has got the following preferential rights are called as preference shares. Now let us see what are those rights. So as you can see in front of you, the first right, payment of dividend during the lifetime of the company. And second, return of capital during the winding up of the company. So those shares which has got these two rights, those shares are called as preference shares. So that is number one, they will always receive the dividend first. The preference will be given to them first during the lifetime of the company. So कंपनी के लाइफटाइम के दौरान जितना भी टाइम डिविडेंड देने की बारी आएगी, the very first preference would be given to the preference shareholders. Second, return of capital during the winding up of the company. So when the capital will be redeemed, returned during the winding up of the company, the first preference will be given to preference shareholders. The preference shareholders, however, do not have any voting powers except on the matters related to them. So whenever the matters related to them are involved, only that time they have got the voting power. Otherwise, in normal meeting session, they have got no voting powers. Some matters related to them may be, say, change in the rate of dividend or any other matters related to them in terms of return on capital. All these matters related to them at that time, they can be asked to vote. Otherwise, they have no voting powers as such. They are called as co-owners, but they are not the controllers. The preference shareholders are called as co-owners of the company, but they have no power to control the company. So they are co-owners, but they are not the controllers. So clear with the meaning of preference shares. So the shares which have the following preferential rights are called as preference shares. The two rights are payment of dividend and return on capital. They have no voting powers. They can be called as co-owners, but they are not the controllers of the company. So moving on to the next topic, features of preference shares. So let us have a look at the features of preference shares. So here's the smart code again. The smart code for this particular answer is Radio Mirchi platform number 5.0. Roman number 5, you remember? So the smart code is Radio Mirchi platform number 5.0. So as you can see, the letters which I have highlighted in dark represents your pointers of the answers. R, M, P, F, N, V. So it is actually not 5 Roman number, but it is the alphabet V. Now in this particular thing, the letters R, P, F and N are repeated 2 times. So that you can keep in mind. R, P, F, N are repeated 2 times in this answer. So what's the smart code? Radio Mirchi platform number 5.0. So starting with the first feature, radio, that is R. So let us see the first feature. The first feature which is represented here is risk. The investors who are cautious generally purchase the preference shares. Safety of capital and steady return on investment are advantages attached with the preference shares. So basically, which kind of investors invest in these shares? Those who are very cautious, those who are very careful, those who are very conservative. They think that they cannot bear losses. They cannot see their money lose, you know. So such kind of investors generally purchase the preference shares. They play safe in simple terms. Now, why they play safe? Because there is safety of capital and there are steady returns on investment. Because as I told you, whenever the company earns profit, the first preference is given to the preference shareholders. Also, if the company is not able to pay the dividend in one particular year, the dividend of that year gets accumulated. It moves on to the next year. So next year, they get the profit of the previous year also where they didn't get the dividend, plus they get the dividend of that current year as well. So that is called as accumulated advantage also. So this will be learning in types of preference shares. That time you will study in detail how they can get that cumulative amount. Okay. So the very first feature is risk involved in preference shares. Moving on to the next feature, again with R, rights or bonus issue. Now remember class, in features of equity shares, rights issue are only offered to equity shareholder. As I told you, when the company is thinking of expanding itself, it requires more capital, right? It is required to raise more capital. So at that time, the existing equity shareholders are given preference. In the same way, the equity shareholders are given gift in the form of gift shares. That gift shares are called as bonus shares. But unfortunately, the preference shares has no rights issue nor bonus issue. They are not entitled for rights issue or bonus issue. The next is, so radio is over. So 2 R's are risk, right or bonus issue. Then we have Mirchi M, market value. The market value of the preference shareholders does not change as the rate of dividend payable to them is fixed. So basically the market value of preference shares do not fluctuate, do not change, because the rate of dividend given to preference shareholders is generally fixed. So capital appreciation is also very less over here because the market value does not change or fluctuate. Then you have platform का P, preference for dividend. नाम में meaning है and start say we are on this point itself. The dividend is payable to the preference shareholders before it is paid to equity shareholders. So the preference shareholders are always given first priority when dividend is to be paid by the company. So quickly tell me the 4 points without seeing. रेडियो पे 2 R है. Number 1 risk, number 2 rights or bonus issue. Mirchi M, market value. Platform P, preference for dividend. Now P is repeated 2 times. So let's see the next feature from P. Preference for repayment of capital. When capital is to be repaid. As I told you, remember the first diagram of the slide where I have made 2 branches. So there were 2 preferential rights. Number 1, payment of dividend, and number 2, return of capital. So whenever there is repayment of capital, again preference shareholders are given priority over equity shareholders. So preference shareholders have a preference over equity shareholders in respect of return of capital when the company is liquidated. So basically the capital which is collected by issuing preference shares is not irredeemable. It is redeemed after a certain period of time. So it can be said that the preference capital is not a permanent capital because it can be redeemed after a certain period of time. Equity capital, on the other hand, is a permanent capital and it cannot be redeemed during the lifetime of the company. So this point you have to keep in mind. Fixed return. As we saw in the previous point, the rate of dividend which is given to preference shareholders is generally fixed. So these shares carry dividend at a fixed rate. It does not fluctuate. It remains constant. The rate of dividend is predetermined at the time of issue. The preference shareholders are entitled to dividend which can be paid only out of profits. So that means whichever year the company earns profit, the preference shareholders will get the dividend. But if the company is not able to pay the profits, not able to make profits in a particular year, and if the preference shares are not cumulative in nature, so that year ka dividend is completely lost. So it depends upon the profits of the company and also the type of preference shares you are investing in. So again, I'm telling you all the types will be learning in detail in tomorrow's class. Okay. Again, F, the face value. Remember class, in equity shares, what did I tell you all? Equity shares face value is relatively very low, starting from 1 rupee and it can go up to 10 rupees, correct? But as far as preference shares face value is concerned, it is relatively higher than the equity shares. They are normally issued at a face value of rupees 100. So the minimum start of preference share itself is 100 rupees. Unlike equity shares, which is only 1 rupee, say 10 rupees. Okay. So we have finished 3 points. Platform. So there were 2P, payment for dividend and payment for repayment of capital. Then you have form. There were 2 Fs, fixed return and face value. Coming to number ka N. Nature of investor. Investors who are conservative, cautious, interested in safety of capital, and who want steady return on investment generally purchase the preference shares. Remember the very first feature of preference share, the risk involved. Basically, the investors who purchase the preference shares are moderate risk takers. They are not very open to bear the risk and they are, you can say scared of taking risk. So they are of moderate level. होता है ना 3 level, extreme level, medium level and सबसे basic level. It is like you can say easy, medium, difficult. 3 level होते हैं ना. So basically they fall in easy to medium. That means they don't like taking risk with their money. So basically investors who are very conservative, very cautious, संभल के सोचते कहाँ invest करना है, कहाँ नहीं invest करना है, जिनको safety चाहिए capital का, and who want steady return, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ आते रहे, भले कम, steady return on investment, they prefer to invest in preference shares. So continuing with the features of preference shares. Again, so there were 2 N. The one was nature of investors. Next is nature of capital. Preference shares do not provide permanent share capital. So those who were listening to the video, I told you all, the preference share capital is not permanent in nature. It is redeemed after a certain period of time. तो बेसिकली प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स कब इशू किए जाते हैं व्हेन कंपनी इज एस्टैब्लिश्ड. ठीक है, कंपनी एस्टैब्लिश हो चुकी है, द ऑपरेशंस आर गोइंग ऑन, एक सेट, एक बोलते हैं ना ग्रोथ पीरियड आ गया है, एक स्टेज आ गया है जहां पे वो बोल सकता है हाँ नाउ आई एम एस्टैब्लिश्ड, but still I require some more capital to expand or to grow. So that time preference share capital is issued to the public. So preference share capital is safe capital as the rate of dividend and the market value does not fluctuate. This we have already seen in the points previously. Last but not the least feature of preference share capital or preference shares, the voting rights. So as I told you, first slide itself, I told you all, they do not have any voting right except in the matters which are related to them. जब तक उनकी बात नहीं आती है, उनको कोई वोटिंग पावर नहीं दिया जाता है. The preference shares do not have normal voting rights. They have voting rights on any resolution of the company directly affecting their rights. जब उन पे बात आती है, then they get a right to vote. तो मैंने आपको क्या क्या एग्जाम्पल दिए थे? Change in terms of repayment of capital, dividend payable to them are in arrears. Arrears मतलब आउटस्टैंडिंग, मतलब अभी तक दिया नहीं गया है. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था, एक साल मान लो कंपनी ने उतना प्रॉफिट नहीं कमाया, सो इट कैन नॉट पे बैक टू द प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स पीपल, सो दैट आर टर्म्ड एज एरियर्स, मींस आउटस्टैंडिंग, देना बाकी है. फॉर द लास्ट 2 consecutive years एक्सेट्रा, मतलब पिछले 2 साल से नहीं दे पा रही है, सो इन ऑल सच मैटर्स दे गेट अ वोटिंग राइट which affect them. Otherwise उनको ऐसा कोई special voting power नहीं दिया जाता. So we'll just do a quick revision. What are the features of preference shares? So the smart code which I had given you all was Radio Mirchi platform number 5.0. So radio 2R, number 1 risk, second, yes, revise and tell me what was the second feature. One was risk and the other was, come on, a little bit stress on your brains. Correct, rights or bonus issue. Then we had Mirchi ka M, market value. Then we had platform, there were 2 P's, preference for dividend and preference on repayment of capital. Then we had 2 F's, fixed return and face value. Then we had 2N, nature of investors, and 9th one you can see, nature of capital. Last but not the least, the voting rights. That is 5th Roman number. So with this class, we stop the topic here. That are features of preference shares. Very easy answer. Tomorrow we'll be studying about what are the different types of preference shares, which is very, very, very important answer from your knowledge point of view and of course exam point of view. So thank you so much class. Take care, stay safe, and tomorrow I'll be covering up the next topic, the further topic of this lesson. All right. So thank you so much for listening to me.